See the fight for AMC. We tested the $3 today, $3.04, guys, before the market opened, and now the price is pulling back down a little bit. We're still neutral, guys. We're not flushing down, but we still got a red candle right now. After the market opened, we got a pullback. The good thing is we tested the three, which is the psychological level. And as we said before, we don't see our update. We already did update for AMC on our Discord here, even today. We discuss the resistance for AMC, and of course, we said the $3.17, and we went until the $3.04. So we have to discuss what we should do right now. Are we gonna have a pullback? Should we load up on the dip or not? However, guys, before we go further to discuss AMC, remember our content always for education purposes only. And of course, guys, we almost at the end of this month. That's why we should watch AMC, guys, for another volatility day, because last time we got almost 100 million worth of volume. So today we'll see this week, are we gonna break the barrier of 100 billion or not? But let's get right to it and see what's gonna happen right now around the $3, guys. So this is the next leg of resistance, because the last level was over the $1 bottom. Then we had a bit of struggle to go toward the $2 back here when we hit the 190. Then we hit the $2, but we didn't hold. Then we held over the $2.20, and now we have a bit struggle to break the $3 or hold over the $3, like what we did before with the $2. This is, guys, always happen for a lot of stocks. It's psychological level. Every time when we hit a new level, let's say right now around the $3, we have a bit of challenge from the short sellers because they add their position. However, there's two reactions that we should watch out for. Either a flush once we test a new level, like the $3. This is not a good, I like something to see, because it means the short seller are controlling this area. It will be harder to pass the next time we test it. The other reaction that we had today, which is testing the $3, but we don't have a flush, just a little candle, and the price pulling back down a little bit, but not a huge pullback. So this is what we've got right now. We might have a bit of consolidation here, going maybe around the $2.60 would be really good, then breaking over the $3.17 to go toward the 4. This would be a best case scenario for AMC, because last time when we broke the $2, it took a while, guys. It took from the 1st of June until here, it took almost 2 weeks to test the $2 and break the $2 and hold over the $2. For here, we have to test the $3, which we did today. We break the $3, hold over the $3, and go toward the $4. This is the reaction happened for a lot of stocks, and those patterns, the healthy one. There's the unhealthy pattern, which is going from the 3 to the 4 without even testing and holding the $3. This is a not good and healthy way of a stock movement, and this is show me that there is manipulation in the market. What I mean by manipulation is the market maker just playing cat and mouse with us, and the price go down really heavy. They just dump the stock down in order to buy cheap. So this is kind of an manipulation market maker do sometimes. But here in AMC reaction lately, we don't have any kind of manipulation so far. Normal reaction, normal accumulation zone, no more fight between the buyer and sellers. This is what we want to see a continuing happening in coming days and weeks, and this is could give us a almost like a higher chance that we're gonna go toward a $4 and $5 and hopefully or around the $10 by the end of this year, if we have this kind of reaction holding every level that we test and break. Like now we have the $3.17, guys. We get near it and we have a pullback. So this is normal reaction. So yeah, watch out for the $2.20 right now and breaking the $3.17 to go toward the $4.08, not $4.10, not $4, no, $4.08. And then the $5.55, the major level that we should break and hold over in order to squeeze toward the $10 next time. We're gonna do update, of course, again for AMC and the other stock that we watch, of course, NXTS, one of the top unicorn that we discussed today. Even let's see if we discuss it on our pre-market watch list. Yeah, today we discussed AMC, we discussed ADTX. It was really great hunt, and of course SPCX. For NXTS just came after the market open. Yes, that's why we didn't put it on our watch list. But yeah, this one was one of the top gainer, 200%, guys. Those stocks always come usually in the pre-market, and we always discuss them together on our Discord and Bitcheon. The link in description below for our hunters to prepare before the market open, of course.